Hey guys, I'm back with another video. I just got my package from Slam Shift Boots right here. Shout out to him. I'm gonna leave his Instagram and his store in the description below, so you can go ahead and go check him out. But we're gonna go ahead and install this. I got the, let me see if I can get this out with one hand. I can get out. There we go. So I got the honeycomb white, and the material feels pretty nice. I mean, it looks nice also. But I got something else with it, but you'll have to see once I install it. But let's get into it with the install. All right, so I took off the shift knob. You just twist it off. You can leave the spring in or anything, but you can lift your fingers under it and pop it out. This whole thing will just come right out. So that's for the reverse lockout. So we're gonna go ahead and take that off. It's kind of hard to do with one hand. So yeah, here we go. I got it out. You gotta be careful when you take out this metal thing, because this is for the reverse lockout, and you can, this little plastics and thing you can crack really easily, and then you'll be screwed out of your reverse lockout. So we're gonna try and get this out. It's really dirty in there too. We'll probably have to clean that. All right, so I did get the shift boot in. I couldn't take out the stock one. I was just too nervous to break those clips that I showed you. They're really easy to break. I mean, I tried to get it out and it was like cracking a little, so it's probably gonna snap soon. So I just put the new one over it and then just put it back in, and then it doesn't look, that great, but if you can take out the stock one without breaking those clips, it would look a lot better. But and then I ran the wire, it's just right there, so it's, I don't damage this, which you can't really see. You just see the wire come out. And then I just have a USB right there. So, I mean, yeah, it comes with, came with a little thing. So then I can, download the app. And I'm able to, let's see, I could pretty much change anything. Could go with the beat of the music. Anything you would like. So yeah, it's pretty cool. But shout out to this guy. Here's all his information. You can follow him on Instagram. You can go to his Etsy store, Facebook. He got an eBay. He does shift boots, e-brake boots also. Yeah, and you can get custom ones. I think you can get like these other designs. I only wanted the white honeycomb because I'm putting, like, as you see in the other videos, my wheels are white, so I'm trying to get the inside carbon fiber in white. So that's the goal, to get all of this, like this carbon fiber, all this carbon fiber, around here carbon fiber, and then this will be white. And then I'll probably get like these around here be white, so then when I can get this whole thing carbon fiber, especially getting rid of this freaking shitty thing. This thing's stupid. So we'll get a bigger one, but we'll make that whole thing, we'll probably wrap it before we install it for carbon fiber. And then steering wheel will be next. Steering wheel will be custom carbon fiber, and I'll just get it black in carbon fiber, or I might get carbon fiber in white, but it'll get really dirty quick, because as you can see, there's already like look at that. That's just from installing it. It's white. It's gonna get dirty really quick. So I'm thinking of probably whole carbon fiber, and then this will probably be leather or something. Then down here I'll put white. Then I'm gonna get this whole thing right around here, carbon fiber. As you see, my access port is white also. So, but yeah, here goes the install. Make sure you follow him. Check out his stuff. Check out his store. If you would like to go and get one of these, or a different design or anything, or any designs that you like from his store, just tell him that I sent you. You can tell him just Life with Reek. He'll know. And that's it. But hope you guys enjoyed the video. We'll be dropping another one very soon. You know, shipping is taking a while. I ordered a couple of stuff, but it's gonna take a while. So, I mean, as you can see, the world's crazy. Inflation's high. It's just stupid. But make sure you subscribe, drop a like, drop a comment, and turn on the post notifications so you know when I drop another video. And we'll see you in the next one.